Let's get it running.
A Stanley Petrol lawnmower facing a carburetor issue. Common symptoms include hard starting, rough idling, and engine stalling.
Always disconnect the spark plug and turn off the fuel supply to ensure complete safety.
Next, we remove the air filter assembly and carefully detach the carburetor from the engine. Fuel residue and dirt clog the carburetor jets, restricting fuel flow and causing engine problems.
Clean all carburetor components using carb cleaner and compressed air to restore proper fuel delivery.
To prevent fuel leaks and ensure smooth engine performance.
Once cleaned and repaired, the carburetor is reassembled and installed back onto the lawnmower.
Plug onto the bottom. After repair, the engine starts smoothly, confirming the carburetor issue has been successfully fixed.
Regular carburetor maintenance keeps your Stanley Petrol lawnmower running efficiently and reliably.